Hello and thanks for checking out our newest build. This is a 2018 Wrangler Unlimited JK. This was built using all Mopar parts, so this still retains the factory warranty. This is a brand new vehicle. I believe the odometer is showing 6 miles right now. 35-inch General Grabber tires, as well as 17-inch jet black aluminum wheels. Those are Mopar part number 7707247-0AB. So 5 of each all the way around, including the spare. It also has the rock rail guard kit, black powder coated tubular rail. That's Mopar part number 822105575AG. And then the lift kit, it's the Mopar 4-inch lift kit. Part number 7707235-3AB. It's got the Fox reservoir shocks, front and rear track bar, relocation brackets, the high steer relocation with Fox steering damper, front and rear brake lines, control arms, 1310 double carded front drive shaft, and 4 coil springs, all included in that lift kit from Mopar. So if you already have a JK Wrangler Unlimited and you'd like this same setup, give a ring at Niemer Jeep in Saratoga or stop in 617 Maple Ave, and they can sell you all of this as a kit if you're a do-it-yourselfer, or purchase and have it installed right at the dealership. And again, you keep your factory warranty with this setup because it's all Mopar parts. So the total price on this at the dealership right now is $44,312. The original MSRP was $33,550. You can see we do have the addendum on the windshield with everything that was done to it. So come check it out, 617 Maple Ave in Saratoga Springs. Online, Niemer CJDR of Saratoga.com. And this was an all Mopar 4-inch lift on a 2018 Jeep Wrangler Sport JK Unlimited. Thanks for watching.